Is your Temu app not working? Here's how to fix it. First, make sure your app is up to date. Go to App Store or Google Play Store to check for any available updates. If that does not work, try restarting your device or reinstalling the app. This often clears off issues. Also, ensure that your internet connection is stable as this can affect app performance. Lastly, check Temu's social media to see if there's a server outage or if other users are experiencing similar issues. If the app still is not working, clear the cache or reinstall the app to reset any settings. And that's it. Temu should be working again. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.